Using Divi Builder, how to unhide a segment. So this is hidden, right? So we want to unhide it. So obviously, if you don't know, you log into Divi, alt stuff, come to the page that you want to work on. There's multiple ways to do it. The simplest way is just come in where it's here, click here, go into advanced, go into visibility, and hit disable on all these things here. So now notice they are no longer hidden. And you just hit save, and it's really that simple from the Divi Builder function. Now, if you want to do it in the Wireframe function, obviously you can come in here. If it's in here, you just hit here, go back to advanced, visibility, and then you can see you can hide it here. It's now hidden. Unhide it here, hit that check mark, hit save. And those are the two places where you'd make it obviously visible or that it's no longer hidden on your page and it shows. And that's how you unhide a column or feature in Divi. Hopefully this was helpful. All right, take care. Bye.